What's up guys, welcome back to Beautiful. Today we're going to be doing 5 minutes of makeup where I show you how to create this makeup look in 5 minutes or less. Let's get into it. To start things off, I'm going to be going in with both the Urban Decay Primer Potion and the e.l.f. Putty Eyeshadow Primer in the shade White. Now I'm taking the shade Dreamer onto my outer corner, halfway through my lid and all over my crease. This shade did take a bit of time to build up, but it did turn out pretty vibrant. So now I'm taking the shade Echo onto my inner corner and onto the parts of my lid that I did not place the purple shade on. I'm also bringing it up into my crease just a little bit higher because I do have hooded eyes. Going back in with the shade Dreamer on my blending brush, I'm now going to blend out the purple shades. I'm now placing the shade Sky High on the place where the green and purple meet on the lid with the Q-tip. Some of the mattes in this palette, including Sky High, just don't apply very well with a brush, so I use a Q-tip instead and it applies so much more pigmented. Using a small blending brush, I'm going to blend out the shade Echo. To finish things off, I'm going to be applying the shades Brilliant and Mystical to my inner corner and all over my lid. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to press that notification bell to always know when I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, I post every day. We have makeup looks and sneak peeks. I'm also on Influenster. I post product reviews of different makeup and skincare products, and so definitely check me out on those two things at Beautiful Yanni for both of them. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.